As a homeowner in Winter Haven, you know how important it is to keep your house in top condition. One of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of your home's upkeep is the windows. Over time, windows can become less efficient, affecting not only the comfort of your home but also your energy bills and overall property value. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are some key signs Winter Haven homeowners should watch for. Drafts and uncomfortable temperature fluctuation. If you've noticed that certain areas of your home feel drafty, even when your heating or cooling system is running, it could be a sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. This can lead to uncomfortable indoor temperatures, as warm air escapes during the winter and cool air leaks out in the summer. Drafts around your windows may also indicate worn-out weather stripping or deteriorating seals that allow air to flow through. Replacing old windows with energy-efficient models can keep your home consistently comfortable while helping you save on energy costs. High energy bills. Are your energy bills higher than they used to be? Aging windows can significantly contribute to increased heating and cooling costs. As windows age, their ability to insulate effectively declines, allowing heat to escape during winter and entering your home during summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, driving up energy consumption. Installing new, energy-efficient windows can help reduce the strain on your system, lower your energy bills, and increase your home's overall efficiency. In the long run, this can be a smart financial decision. Condensation or moisture between panes. If you notice condensation forming on the interior or exterior of your windows, or if there's moisture trapped between the panes, it's a clear sign that your windows are no longer functioning at their best. Condensation inside your home's windows typically means that the seals are broken, which allows moisture to get in between the glass. Not only does this affect the window's appearance, but it can also lead to mold growth and further damage over time. In these cases, replacing the windows is often the best solution. Difficulty opening or closing windows. If you find it difficult to open or close your windows, this could be a sign of structural damage or wear. Windows should open and close easily, but older windows can become warped, making them harder to operate. This can be frustrating, especially if you rely on natural ventilation to keep your home fresh. If the window frame is swollen or the sashes are stuck, replacement might be necessary to restore both the function and aesthetic appeal of your windows. Visible damage or cracks. Over time, windows can become damaged due to weather exposure, accidents, or general wear and tear. Cracks, chips, or other physical damage can significantly compromise the insulation and security of your windows. If you notice cracks in the glass or noticeable gaps in the frame, it's essential to replace your windows. Damaged windows not only reduce your home's energy efficiency but also make it more vulnerable to the elements and security risks. Exterior decay or damage. When you inspect your windows from the outside, take note of the condition of the frames. If you see signs of decay, peeling paint, or rotting wood, it's a strong indicator that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Wood window frames, in particular, can deteriorate over time due to exposure to the elements, especially in areas with high humidity. Replacing damaged frames and windows with new materials like vinyl or fiberglass can help prevent future issues and improve your home's curb appeal. Increased noise level. If you live near a busy street or in a neighborhood with a lot of traffic, you may have noticed that outside noise is becoming more bothersome. Older windows, especially single-pane windows, are less effective at blocking sound than modern, energy-efficient windows. If noise pollution has become a concern, upgrading to double or triple pane windows with soundproofing properties can significantly reduce noise levels and create a more peaceful indoor environment. Conclusion: your windows are an essential component of your home's comfort, efficiency, and overall aesthetic. If you've noticed any of these signs, drafts, high energy bills, moisture between panes, difficulty opening or closing, visible damage, or increased noise levels, it may be time to consider window replacement. By upgrading your windows, you'll not only improve your home's insulation and energy efficiency but also enhance its curb appeal and value. If you're unsure whether it's time to replace your windows, consider contacting a professional to assess their condition. A timely replacement can save you money, boost your home's performance, and ensure that you and your family are comfortable all year round.